Chapter 3, Video 1, The Biosphere. Introduction. The biosphere encompasses populations, communities, ecosystems, and biogeochemical cycles. The environment is everything that's around you, including the air, the land, the oceans, and all living things. Natural environment is divided into two parts: the physical environment, that encompasses all non-living matter, and the biological environment, which includes all life forms. We call that the biosphere. The physical environment is divided into three spheres, which have evolved together over the course of the Earth's history on the basis of the states of matter in them. The lithosphere is the solid sphere, litho meaning rock, the hydrosphere, the liquid phase, and the atmosphere, the gas phase. The Earth's atmosphere is divided into layers on the basis of changing temperature gradients. The density of atmospheric gases decreases exponentially going away from the Earth's surface. About 99% of the gases are found in the troposphere and stratosphere. These gases are about 78% nitrogen, 20 to 21% oxygen, about 0.9 to 1% argon, and the rest CO2, methane, sulfate, etc. Temperatures vary due to changes in atmospheric density and composition, and also from distance of the Earth and heat reflected back from the Earth, as well as penetration of the sun's radiation. Ozone at the top of the stratosphere acts to absorb UV radiation and protect us from harmful rays of the sun. The hydrologic cycle is driven by the sun via evaporation and transpiration, which then results in precipitation. This redistributes heat and moderates temperatures, and also participates in the weathering and decomposition of rock. The hydrogeological cycle plays a strong role in weather and therefore climate. Weather, for our purposes, can be considered short-term conditions or events, whereas climate is the long-term average of weather conditions in a region. The biosphere is hierarchical, meaning that you can trace the organization from the smallest atom or subatomic particle up through the biosphere. Organisms composed of atoms, molecules, and cells are grouped into populations. Populations are then grouped in communities, which then form ecosystems with their physical environment. So ecosystems are comprised of living organisms and their habitat or physical environment. The word ecology is used a lot in science. For our purposes, we're going to define it as the science that examines how organisms interact with each other and with their physical environment. Ecological principles have great value in assessing how people are disturbing the biological systems around them and in finding ways to minimize this disruption. So let's review the introduction to the chapter. Can you name the three physical spheres that are defined as the physical environment? Do you think they interact at all? How do they interact? How do we describe the atmosphere, and what is the composition at each level? What drives the hydrosphere? What are the general categories inside the biosphere? What does the word ecology mean?